your area has been noticed an increased number of encounters with counterfeits. People who you might think you know may be a dangerous being trying to impersonate your relatives. Keep an open mind and check your surroundings at every time. You can tell them apart looking at their inhuman bodily features. If you notice something disturbing in the other person's appearance, retreat, run and hide. Counterfeits may try to look like people, but most of the time cannot accomplish that fully. You can tell that because of their limbs being extended, shortened or not feeling right. Their faces may be elongated, unnaturally stretched, or have other not fully human features. The voice they will attempt to use may be a repeated sequence of words or sentences that make little sense, or are designed to lure the victim to themselves. Do not attempt to attack, threaten or do anything else that exposes you to counterfeit. Cyanide is currently trying its best to get rid of the threat of danger immediately. From the moment of this transmission, please follow the rules and ways of behavior given in this material. 1. Be aware of your surroundings. 2. Pay attention to details. 3. Listen into your surroundings and voices you hear. 4. Close every door and window in your house. 5. Keep your family close and safe. 6. Don't let strangers or peers inside if you are not certain they are who they seem. 7. Close the blinds and face away from all the windows. 8. Don't leave your house unless you really need to. You may die.